You know, a big worry when we travel is our belongings, our valuables. This year we teamed up with Liberty Safe, and we have a lot of very expensive firearms because of the show. But the ones that really matter to me are the ones that you can't replace. My grandfather's gun, an old Winchester Model 70, my pictures, my things like that. We got the new Liberty Lincoln, and it holds all our guns, all our valuables, 90 minutes of burn time. But what's really neat about it is the technology it has. It syncs up to my Wi-Fi, and anytime that door opens or shuts, it lets me know. If that safe moves, it lets me know. And if the temperature changes by 10 degrees, it lets me know. And you can set those parameters however you want. But the peace of mind to know that everything that I hold dear in my heart, whether it's the memories of my grandfather's gun, stuff that actually is valuable, paperwork, jewelry, is in my Liberty Safe, and I can have peace of mind when I'm on the road or in another country that my stuff is safe.